How to get DoorDash credit for free. Hey there, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To get a DoorDash credit for free, here are some of the legitimate way to do so. Firstly, refer a friend. You have heard about the term refer a friend to get some credit in your DoorDash. So how does it work exactly? DoorDash does offer you with a referral code once in a while. So if the referral code is active, you can go ahead and refer to a friend by sharing your unique code link. If they sign in using your code, as well as if they purchase certain amount of deliveries, you'll be receiving bonus or credit out of it. So that is the first and the legitimate way. Second is to participate in promotion and contests. DoorDash often runs promotion and contests where you can win credit or other prizes as well. Some credit cards such as Chase does offer DoorDash perk time and again, so you can check out with a credit card company. So those are some of the ways to get yourself free credit in your DoorDash. Hopefully you found this video informative to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.